What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
And welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Your granny's channel.
We're doing Granny's channel.
What you cooking, Roach?
What you cooking, Roach?
And today, what are we making? What are we making today?
Cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter cookies. All right. So y'all already know what we gonna do. Let's get started.
Yeah.
Let's get started. All right, y'all. So we're gonna start these peanut butter cookies. Okay? Yes. So we got to tell them what kind of ingredients we got in here, right?
We got that.
What's that? That's the flour. All right. So this is, what did we say? 2.5 cups of flour.
Flour.
Yes.
Eggs.
And two eggs. Two eggs. Right. And what was this called again? Brown sugar. Brown sugar. A cup of brown sugar.
Can you hold that?
No, I got it. You might spill it. So what is this sugar? White sugar.
White sugar.
We need 1 cup of white sugar. Okay. And we also have our, what's this again? Baking soda.
Baking soda.
That is a teaspoon of baking soda, guys. All right. Well, let me correct myself. 1.5 teaspoon baking soda.
Yes.
All right. And we also have our baking powder.
Baking powder.
1 teaspoon. Remember? 1 teaspoon. Okay. Now we can't make peanut butter sandwiches, cookies without. What's this? What? Peanut butter. We're using crunchy peanut butter.
Yes.
That's the best way to make it.
Yes.
Okay? So, and we also going to need butter.
Butter.
We're going to need a cup of butter. All right? Softened. And then we're going to blend that and make it all creamy. Yes. With our butter, sugar, and eggs. We're going to beat that all together. All right? So, we're going to get that started, you guys. All right? So, you got anything you want to say?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Got nothing?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started.
We're gonna make that.
We're getting ready to make it right now.
Action.
All right, y'all. So now we're gonna get these peanut butter cookies started because you already know they're not gonna cook themselves. Okay?
Okay.
Right? They're not gonna cook themselves, right? So we're gonna need our butter.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's 1 cup of butter that's softened. Okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna open that up. You wanna open that up?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, you open that up. All right. And then you just put it in the bowl there. Okay? All right. You got it? There you go. Good job. That's a good job. Now, 1 cup. That's 1/2 cup.
Yeah.
This is another 1/2 cup, so it's 2 sticks of butter. Woo! We got 2 sticks of butter up in there. Okay. So here we go. Let's soften that butter up. Yeah, soften it up. Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah. You soften it in. All right. I'm gonna put the sugar in there. Okay.
Yeah.
All
I
right.
can do it.
1 cup of sugar?
Yeah.
All right, well then, okay, well first we got to soften the butter up, all right?
I'm gonna do it.
Listen, let's show you. So we got to,
I can do it.
I know.
But
Wait, we got to soften this up just a little bit.
This is a little bit.
Just soften it up.
Yes, you soften it.
Just soften it up a little bit, okay?
I can do this for
I know you can.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
I'm strong.
You can do it, man.
I can
You
do
can do it.
it.
Okay, now put it in there. Oh, that's what's up. All right, I'm gonna stir, and then you're gonna put, what you gonna put in there next?
That.
Nope.
I wanna do that.
Nope. The eggs.
Yay!
Yes, you remember the eggs you were supposed to be cracking? Okay, well not right now. Let's put them right here. All right, so we still got to sharpen this up. All right, we got to mix this in.
Yeah. Guys, what's up?
Well, there you go.
Ew. That's good.
Yeah, I know it, and butter and sugar does taste good. Let me tell you. Like, when I was a kid, I used to stick my finger in there and get a little sample.
I can.
Get a little sample. Oh, yeah. There we go. All right.
That's good.
We're blending this together. So now we're going to mix in the eggs, okay?
Yeah.
All right. So this is how we're going to do that. Just crack it here. Go like this. Very good. Oh, good. Be careful. We don't want to get any shell. Oh, yeah. Oh, slow down there. Let's see. saying. That's what he
We'll
crushes
do
the
the
shell.
middle one.
No, man. No, you crush the shell. You can't crush the shell in there. You don't want to eat shells when you're eating your peanut. Does anybody want to eat shells when they eat their peanut butter cookies?
No.
That's what I said. All right, so come on.
I'm going to dip on my finger
I'm
in
going to
there.
put this in here, and we just gotta hope that we're not
I'm
going
going
to
to mix it.
we're not going to be eating eggshells. All right. So, all right. So, wait, Granny did. What? There's a bucket blowing over there, huh? Outside. It's very windy here, guys, today. Let me get a towel. We got to wipe our hands off, right? You got eggs everywhere. I'm telling you. There you go. Blend it up. Blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. You do that. And then I'm going to go get another bowl while you're doing that, okay? You keep stirring, all right? Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Keep going. We got to cream it. All right? So, in this separate bowl, I have already my flour that I've sifted. No, you're not. Keep going. Keep going. We got our flour, so I'm going to put that in a separate bowl. I've already sifted. You want to sift the flour.
Wait. Wait.
So I'm going
Guys, what is that?
Right. What is what?
Mix it.
Keep going. And then we're going to add in our baking soda and our baking powder. All right, y'all. And I'm not using any salt in this recipe because I had salted butter. So we're not using any salt other than that's coming from the butter. Okay, you guys? All right. So let's let him finish doing that real quick. Let him finish that here. So we'll be right back.
I'm done.
You want me to help you here? And
I can draw it.
you got to do it like this.
I'm strong.
You strong, but you got to cook. Hold on. Let Granny hook it up. See how Granny's doing now?
I can pour it in there.
No, we ain't poured it in there yet. Okay, not quite yet.
I can put my finger in there.
Alright.
I can put my finger in there.
No, we don't. Just raw eggs now. You don't want to put that.
No.
Never.
It tastes that good.
I don't want to get you sick, man. All right. I don't want to get you sick. Okay. See that? All right. So we'll get back. Let me keep stirring because I want to get this nice and creamy. Okay, y'all. All right.
Wait.
We're gonna be right back. We're gonna be right back. We're gonna be right back. Gonna be right back.
I'm gonna go.
We ain't going nowhere. All right, y'all. So we've been stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring, and Brayden's been stirring. Keep stirring, Brayden. Now we're gonna add in the peanut butter, okay, you guys?
Okay.
I like to use crunchy peanut butter, all right?
I don't want to go this
So
way.
we need a cup, all right? So I think I haven't measured it, but I think this jug, this 18-ounce jar should be it should be a cup and some, but I'm gonna add half of it in there. Right? Because I know how to measure certain things, you know. When you cook, you know how to measure. Oh, got some peanut butter on your knuckles.
What?
Alright. Okay. So I'm gonna help you, Brayden. While you lick that off your knuckles.
What?
Peanut butter off your knuckles, man.
I need to wipe it off.
No, don't wipe it. It's peanut butter. What are you talking about wiping it off? Oh, you too much. You too much. Alright, so see what we're doing here, guys?
I'm gonna pour it in there.
I know. We got it. Alright?
It's good.
It is good. So we're gonna mix
It's
all that.
chocolate.
Man, we are mixing it together.
It's chocolate.
It is chocolate.
I'm tasting.
Alright? And I'm gonna add
Chris,
see, man, I'm trying to
can I
add.
pour it?
I'm trying to add in. Come on, you go ahead and add it. Put in your brown sugar. Very good, man. Very good. Oh, it didn't all come out. That's because it's been sitting for a minute, man. Hold on.
Can I try?
Nah, you didn't even want to lick the peanut butter off your fingers. How much you want to try? You just trying to get the brown sugar. Okay. All right. So let's mix it up. Let's give it a nice little mix.
This is like chocolate.
Yep. I used to make these. My granny used to make these when I was a little
I'm gonna
girl.
make cookies. I'm gonna make cookies.
Now, we're going to mix all this up, right? We still have to add in our flour and we have to make dough.
It sounds like chocolate, kids.
Man, this is going to be a lot.
It's hot.
Yeah. Oh, it smells good already.
Mine smells it. It smells good.
It does. Right? So, I'm going to have to add in this flour.
Add the pouring.
We're going to have to add this in and mix it, all
Add the
right?
pouring.
You going to mix it?
Yeah. Add the pouring.
Oh, who's at the dough? Stir it. Come on.
Well, don't make a mess.
That's all what it's all about, is making a mess, man.
You
All
gotta
right?
wipe it.
We're going to wipe it together. Good. Tell me, you going to help me?
You gonna help me.
You're going to help me. So we're going to mix that. Let's get this stuff out. We got a lot going on here, man. All right?
We done?
Yeah, I think your mama here. Yeah, we're going to finish this.
You think my mom is here?
I'm glad you came to visit. And we could have made some cookies, but you didn't gonna be able to get any of the cookies. Sorry about that. Alright. So
It looks like butter.
it is, it's a dough. Alright, so let's say goodbye. Say goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, buddies.
Everybody. It's getting really thick, isn't it? That's because it's making the dough. Alright?
It's making this.
It's making the peanut butter dough.
What?
The peanut butter dough.
We're gonna make cookies, guys.
Yes, we're making cookies. All right. Okay.
Guys, guess what? Guys, guess what?
Guess what?
Chicken booty.
What? Don't say that. You come get it, you boy. Yeah, you silly goose.
What? It fall.
Yeah, we didn't need it. All right, y'all. So we're gonna roll this dough up, and it's gonna have to sit in the refrigerator for about 1 hour.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so let's say goodbye.
Well, goodbye.
We'll see you guys in another hour, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Somebody gonna do it with us.
Taller than you. You might need a bigger tripod.